This video will show you how to create HTML pages in D2L with CC's ADA-compliant HTML templates. Before you begin designing, your instructional designer will upload the HTML templates into your course. Enabling HTML templates. Go into the Content section of your course and choose a module. Before you begin, make sure the HTML templates are enabled. Select Module, Settings, and Enable HTML Templates should be selected. If not, then select the Enable HTML Templates button and choose or change path. Then select the Brightspace HTML Templates folder and click Select Path. Now you are ready to create your HTML pages. To start, select New, Create a File. Add a title, and then select a document template. You will see several options in the drop-down menu. In this video, we will be using the blank template as an example. The blank template is a general-purpose layout with a clean and simple design. If you are new to HTML, then we recommend using this layout. For any content you create, you need to make sure the folder path is correct. This practice is a highly important step to keep your Manage Files sections well organized and easy to navigate. To change a path, go to the bottom of the page and select Change Path. Your folder should already be organized by module. We are in Module 1, therefore we will link this page to the Module 1 folder. Once you have selected Module 1, you will hit Select Path. You can double-check you selected the correct path at the bottom of the page. The bolded section of the path will be the folder you selected.